I've enrolled in a course called Java Full Stack Development in Jspiders, Punjagutta. So beginning of the days, I've completed SQL. It was taught by Afroz sir. He covered all the basics from the very beginning, what is database and went all the way to normalization. And then I started learning about Java. It was taught by Vivek sir, and it helped a lot actually because he covered all the basics from the very beginning. Why is platform independent language, Java is platform independent language, and went all the way up to collections, OOPS concepts, and all. This mocks are very important. Mock interviews, they've prepared me for the actual interview, and for every interview you will get a grooming sessions, and grooming sessions also helped a lot because it's gonna clarify all those interview questions for you.